Good evening, my crafty friends. The last time that I was on here with one of my design team projects, I had worked on this album for my family legacy recipe album, and I had still some of the papers left over. So what I wanted to do was to do a design team project with some of my leftover papers, and it's pretty similar in the very front to the album, where I used the same types of paper in the background. I had to, of course, use my die cut again that I got from Country Craft Creations, but this is a quick design team project using up some of my papers from Farmhouse Summer from Carta. Make sure that you run over to Country Craft Creations. I'm sure they still have some of the papers left, and if not, there are lots of new collections coming in. So just wanted to show you this quick folio that I made, and I took some of the frames that I had left over from cutting them out. I used them on the front here. I used the big frame on the front here, and again, like I said, my die cut. This is 7 inches by 6 inches, really small, like I said, small folio. It's 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch spine. I would make that probably 1/2 of an inch next time, because it's a little bit fuller than I thought it was going to be. You can see it's a little bit bigger. But if I open this up here, you can see this is my inside of the folio. And I used a lot of the stickers, and I used some of the cut aparts from this page. Actually, now that I see that, I think yes, I did. I put that in upside down. So I did tighter pockets on all of these because I didn't want a lot going in the pockets, but and just made them much more simple, flat pockets. And then again, use some of the stickers to accent the pocket. Here is an actual flip out, and I used the stickers here. I used one of the frames on top of the pattern paper. I did not leave it open. I really planned that the photo can go inside that frame and just lay down. And then onto this page here, I used a couple more of the frames, and I figured that we could put a small picture in here, or if we wanted a bigger picture, we could put a bigger picture in there just over this smaller frame. But for right now, I thought it gave a lot of interest to this folio. And then in this flip out, the page, there I put a couple different cut aparts on there, and I used some of the stickers on the pocket itself. And again, like the other pocket, it made this a flat pocket. I did not do, actually I didn't do any pockets in this book that were gusseted, because I wanted it to be just a really flat, quick folio. And so then this comes over. This is being held down by a magnet. This is not held by a magnet, but pull this out, and I have photo mats right here, or it could be journaling on here, journaling here, and photos here and here, however the recipient wants to do. I actually was even thinking this might be kind of a neat photo book or folio to put inside my larger album. And then I just put a couple of the cut aparts here. This is a 2-pocket page. This goes all the way down into there. This one is a shorter pocket. And I used some of the stickers along here. Some of the stickers I backed, some of them I did not. So then this just comes through this way and goes this. Like I said, it's a little bit fat, and it could really do with a little bit of a wider spine, but it's still good. It still works fine. And I back some of my stickers on here. Just makes this this folio look complete. So that's really it. I thank you so much for your time tonight, and I hope that you like my little folio project. I don't have a tutorial for this because it's such a simple project, but if you would like something on this, please leave comments down in the underneath the video, and let me know if you'd like to see a video, not necessarily using this paper, but using a different selection of paper. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you spending time with me. Take care and have a great weekend. Bye.